Right, probably what will be the first in a series of videos about the Altitude Angel delivery corridor. And I sat down this morning to start thinking about this and have already run into a problem. I'll explain the aircraft a bit more in the near future, but don't worry, it is part of my thinking. But look, I have drawn lines over the map and ended up straight over a town. I've done a little bit of flight planning in a normal traditional flight planning kind of way. You can see my track in Prink. I'm inbound to Westcott. That's at Chiltern Hills in the distance there. In fact, let's just poodle along here towards them. Let's ignore my flight plan for a minute. And yeah, I've flown across a conurbation. So straight away I can tell that flight planning for long distance flights are going to have to be, or it's going to have to be, a little more considered, because you're not going to get day in, day out flights over small towns and get away with it. It's not going to happen, is it? We know it's not going to happen. So that's my first clipette, my first go, my first flight, first thought about this situation. More to come. Cheers for now.